One of the primary challenges when printing thermochromic, photochromic, or glow-in-the-dark metal decorating ink is contamination. These color-changing technologies print clear, lightly colored or translucent on a can when in their unreacted states. This means that even the slightest contamination will show up in the print. The smallest amount of conventional ink when mixed with these specialty products will be noticeable. In addition to pigments, chemicals can attack the sensitive chemistry of our products and ruin them. Therefore, always remember that anything which comes into contact with these inks must be clean and free from any chemicals or additives that could negatively affect them. For example, most printers have experience managing the application of clear coatings or white inks where contamination from dirt or other inks must be managed carefully. CTI's product should be treated similarly on press to a transparent white or white pigmented ink. In addition, any cleaning solvents used to remove residual ink must themselves be removed from the press either through absorption in a rag or through evaporation prior to adding CTI's inks to the press. Be sure to clean all areas of the press that will come into contact with CTI's product prior to adding that product to the press. After completing this process, run a small amount of white ink through the inker and the roller train to force out any remaining contaminants. Once you have cleaned the press several times, test the cleanliness of the press by running a small amount of CTI's metal decorating ink through the roller train of the printing unit for 2 to 4 minutes. If you observe that CTI specialty ink is taking on a new shade, then the press is not clean enough. If this happens, remove the ink, clean the rolls again, and repeat the process until the ink maintains its original color after a few minutes of running. Here are 2 examples of CTI's ink in 2 different fountains. Notice the discoloration of the ink in the left side picture. The ink in the picture on the right is free from contamination and has no residual color. For more information or to place an order, contact CTI today.